Imagine a universe where the glittering dust of stars isn't just cosmic decoration, it's the secret ingredient that could have ignited the first sparks of life. That's the groundbreaking revelation from a pioneering study that challenges our understanding of how life might emerge in the vast, unforgiving void of space. But here's where it gets controversial. Could this mean that life is far more common in the cosmos than we ever imagined, or is it just a lucky accident on our planet? In a groundbreaking research effort, experts from Heriot-Watt University in Edinburgh teamed up with colleagues from Friedrich Schiller University Jena in Germany and the University of Virginia in the US, have uncovered that tiny particles of space dust play an essential role in boosting the fundamental components needed for life. This is the first investigation of its kind, exploring how mineral dust serves as a catalyst. Think of it as a helpful mediator that speeds up chemical reactions, allowing simple substances to evolve into more intricate, potentially life-sustaining ones, even amid the emptiness and biting cold of outer space. Published in the prestigious journal The Astrophysical Journal, their findings reveal that surface interactions between carbon dioxide and ammonia, two gases abundantly present in space, only proceed effectively when dust is involved. These interactions produce ammonium carbamate, a compound that's considered a crucial stepping stone to urea and other vital molecules that underpin life as we know it. To put this in simpler terms for beginners, urea is a substance our bodies produce and excrete, but in the grand scheme of biology, it's part of the nitrogen cycle that helps build proteins and DNA, the very blueprints of living organisms. Professor Martin McCustra, an astrochemist at Heriot-Watt University, emphasizes this point vividly. Dust isn't merely a passive player in the cosmic drama. Instead, it creates surfaces where molecules can collide, interact, and transform into more sophisticated structures. In certain areas of space, this dusty chemistry is absolutely essential for assembling the molecular foundations of life. We've discovered that these surface reactions happen much more efficiently and swiftly with dust present than without it. To simulate these extraterrestrial conditions, the team conducted experiments in Dr. Alexei Potapov's lab in Jena, Germany. They crafted dusty sandwiches, thin sheets of carbon dioxide and ammonia separated by a layer of porous silicate particles, created through laser evaporation, mimicking real cosmic dust. When these samples were chilled to a frigid -260 degrees Celsius, akin to the depths of interstellar clouds, and then gently heated to around -190 degrees Celsius, resembling the transition into protoplanetary disks, the molecules diffused through the dust and reacted to generate ammonium carbamate. Crucially, without that dust layer, the icy substances failed to bond as successfully, highlighting dust's indispensable role. This discovery marks the first instance of observing acid-base catalysis, where protons are transferred to facilitate reactions, under conditions that replicate space. Dr. Alexei Potapov explains, our results indicate that dust particles are far more dynamic in astrochemistry than we previously believed. Drifting through interstellar clouds and protoplanetary disks, these grains might offer the perfect microhabitats for molecules to converge and develop into complex forms. And this is the part most people miss, Professor McCustra adds, we've demonstrated that dust can facilitate the chemistry required to construct advanced organic compounds, even at extraordinarily low temperatures. This could be nature's clever workaround to conquer the harsh realities of space, setting the stage for chemistry that eventually leads to life. Looking ahead, the scientists intend to investigate if similar processes can create other molecules and whether this dust-fueled chemistry is actively occurring in protoplanetary disks, where new planets are currently forming. This raises intriguing questions. Does this imply that life's building blocks are scattered everywhere in the universe, waiting to be sparked? Or, controversially, could it suggest that life on Earth was inevitable, debunking the idea of it being a rare fluke? What do you think? Is this discovery a game-changer for how we view the origins of life, or does it overlook other factors? Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you agree that dust is the unsung hero of cosmic chemistry, or do you have a different take?